the anti-inflammatory drink that changed my life. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today, a long overdue video. I'm so excited to finally share a drink that has truly transformed my life. This anti-inflammatory powerhouse, as I call it, is made with um, turmeric, ginger, and some black pepper and water, of course. So for years, I've been drinking this regularly, and let me tell you, the benefits are incredible. This drink has helped me fight inflammation, it has boosted my overall health, and even tackle a severe pain that I had in my left hip. In fact, it was so severe. It was so severe that I needed surgery, and this drink was effective that it made me avoid surgery. A miracle which I am so grateful for. So, a lot of you have been asking how I make it and why it works. So, there are different ways of making it. So, today I'm going to share my recipe and explain the amazing benefits of this simple but powerful ingredient. So, like I said, there's so many ways of making it, but this is my way of making it. So, I will start first of all by talking about turmeric. You can see it looks like ginger, but it's got a yellow color inside. And this right here is the star of the drink. So, turmeric is it contains curcumin, which is an active ingredient of turmeric, and it's a compound with very strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps fight pain, fights inflammation, and protects against diseases like arthritis and even heart condition. Unbelievable. So the next thing we have got is ginger. So ginger is another powerful anti-inflammatory ingredient. It's great for digestion, it helps with nausea and supports your immune system. Plus, it adds a lovely zinc to the drink. And the next thing we've got is black pepper. You might be wondering, why black pepper? Why do we include black pepper? It actually is very essential. It contains something called pepperine, which enhances the absorption of curcumin from turmeric by up to 2000%. Can you believe that, guys? Without it, you won't get all the benefits of turmeric drink, and all this research has been proven. There's loads and loads of research that has been done on turmeric. And these three ingredients make an incredible team for reducing inflammation and boosting your health. And not to forget, the last thing we have got is some water. So I've got here about 4 cups of water. This is based on the quantity of ginger and turmeric that I've got. It's incredible because lots of studies have been done on turmeric, and it's even found to cure things like cancer. So let's get right on. Enough talking, let me show you how I make it. So you can see turmeric is yellow and it stains quite a lot. So this is something that you have to be so mindful of. I don't need to cut it like this. You can see it's got water coming out of it because I've left it in the freezer. So I do buy quite a lot of it. So I've got it here. So I use the glass blender so that it doesn't stain. It easily washes off. So I've got quite a bit, and this would take me for some time. So I've got fresh ginger here, and just cut it up. You don't necessarily have to cut it, but I just make it so that it's easier to blend. Right, you see what I mean? But hopefully this will blend easily. So now we've got that, put that in the sink. So I just put enough water. Obviously, we're going to be adding some more water when we put it to simmer, to boil. So I just put enough water so that it can blend easily, right? I think I've put too much, but maybe not. Right then, so let's go. And also be mindful, like I said, it stains a lot. So yeah, you ready for it? Let's go.
You can see that this is well blended. I will go ahead and pour this carefully into the saucepan and make sure it doesn't splash. So be careful as it stains, but it's very easy to clean. And also check the consistency and add a little water if you think that it's too thick. So I just pour some water into the blender and just shake it and pour it back into the saucepan. So after about 2 minutes on the fire, add some black pepper. So this is very important, and let it just boil for about 2 minutes. Just as it's about to start boiling, and once it starts boiling, remove and drain. So you don't want it to boil for too long. Be very careful as this is quite hot. And that's it, my turmeric drink. So I usually store this in a glass jar. I prefer glass. I don't have any plastics around the house, so I always store them in glass and keep in the fridge. And I consume this quantity for about a week. Taking 2 shots a day. I usually do that in the morning and the evening, depending. So.
So there you have it. That's how I make my turmeric drink. Before you start taking turmeric regularly, here are a few things, important things to keep in mind. Turmeric can thin your blood. So it has natural blood thinning properties. If you're on blood thinners like warfarin or aspirin, I would highly recommend you consulting or speaking with your doctor before you start taking turmeric regularly. Also, it might affect your blood sugar levels. If you have things like diabetes or you take medication for blood sugar control, turmeric may, enhance the effect. So you have to monitor your levels very carefully. So another thing to be mindful of is that it can cause digestive issues in some people. When I started taking turmeric, I noticed that I was going to the toilet quite a bit, So whilst turmeric is great for digestion, in some cases it can cause bloating, acid reflux, or even upset stomach, especially in high doses. So what I do is I take them in shots twice a day. So it's not recommended in high doses during pregnancy. Please be very careful if you're pregnant. While small amounts in food are generally safe, high doses of turmeric supplements or the drink may, stimulate the uterus. So pregnant women should speak to their doctor before taking turmeric regularly. Also, one of the things to be mindful of is that gallbladder issues and kidney stones may arise as a result of you taking turmeric. So, you see, turmeric contains oxalates, which may contribute to kidney stones in, susceptible individuals. It might also worsen gallbladder problems. So, be cautious, be very careful if you have a history of these conditions. Absorption is key, right? Because we want to make sure that we're taking turmeric and our body absorbs it. So, curcumin, which I mentioned earlier, is the active ingredient in turmeric. It isn't easily absorbed by the body on its own. So, you have to add black pepper, which contains peppering. It significantly enhances the absorption by about, over 2000%. But my recommendation, if you're new to turmeric, is that you start slow. Start with small amounts and see how your body reacts to it before you start making it a daily habit. Because as much as it's good, everything has a side effect. Another thing to be mindful of: plastic. So this right here change color. That's why I'm using glass to blend it. So turmeric has so many amazing benefits, but like anything, it's important to listen to your body and make sure that it works for you. If you have any health conditions or take medications, always check with your doctor before adding this to your routine. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried turmeric and what your experience was like for you, and has it been good? Have you had any of these side effects? And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.